So in the last video, we discussed about uh, what we can say type conversion, identifiers, and variables. Now I want to talk about data structures. So before going into technical aspects about data structure in Python, let's understand the need to have a data structure in Python at the first place. Consider this scenario. Suppose you have to store the name of a person. Okay, so you want to use Python for this. Now you are having the knowledge of variables. What you can do is you can simply create a variable for each person. Maybe a person is X. So for him is you are making a variable. Now suppose you also want to store maybe the name. So name. So maybe his name is because it's the X name. So his name is X. Now again, if you want to, maybe you want to save the name of other person that is Y. So again, you will make one more variable for that, and you will assign it Y name. Okay. Then as the person increases, your variable need to be increased. Okay. So if there will be maybe 100%, so there will be 100 name variables. Okay. And again, that this is only on based on name. Then again, if you want to maybe add the weight of this person, so again you have to make one variable and you have to say weight. Then maybe you can give it in kgs, 54 kgs or whatsoever you want to give it. Then then what pattern you can observe over here is the number of variables are increasing drastically as the information is increasing. Maybe you want to store your class data. In your class you are having name of the student, the age of the student, the gmail address of the student, phone number, his residential address, and maybe his marks. And again in marks, all the subjects, maybe number of how many numbers of variables you can make. Then you have to make that number of variables. So this is very tedious task. So in conclusion, we can say for every new information that you want to store, you need a new variable. Now, what will happen when the amount of information just keep on increasing because there is no limit to the kind of information you can save.